going on, everybody? This is Dee Car Lady coming at you. All right, today we're going to talk about Social Prospector Pro. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial really quick on how you can update the tool, okay? Now, for you guys who maybe you haven't picked up Social Prospector Pro yet, let me just really tell you really quick. What that is a tool that allows you to be able to get free leads, siphon off free leads on Facebook. I'm talking about highly targeted leads, all right, by building up your friends list with the people who are already looking for what you got, okay? They already want you, okay? So what I'm doing in this video right here is showing you guys how you can update that tool. Now, first off, why would you need to update the tool? Because the owner actually is adding more features to the tool as he goes. I mean, we started out with some great features already. Of course, you know, adding targeted friends, deleting inactive accounts, you know, mass messaging people, so that way you don't have to do 1Z by 2Z. But I mean, here lately he's added even more features. We're talking about being able to automatically love people's posts, right? Because you already know engagement is king, right, on Facebook, right? I'm talking about where we actually just added the ability to be able to automatically comment. When people leave you a comment, you can automatically reply to that comment, right? You know how sometimes you get that post that pretty much like goes viral, right? You get all these people like info. All right, you know, we just added a feature to Social Prospector Pro where you can actually automatically, you know, reply to those comments. So it is absolutely amazing. But to make sure that you stay up to date with the tool, you want to be able to, you know, get those updates. Once you log in, get those updates. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Dee Car Lady, baby. All right, and my channel is all about the mindset, the marketing, and multiple streams of income, baby. All right, because I'm definitely bringing you the tricks, the tips, and the tools to get the job done. You feel me? So if that's what you're here for, and that's what you need in your life, you need a little D in your life. Oh yeah, I know I can't sing, but it's all good, right? Then you definitely want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's right, subscribe to my channel, baby, so you can be alerted next time I come up with some content, because I'm definitely bringing it to you guys every single week. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and make sure we go ahead and get the update. So over here we got Social Prospector Pro, got the tool. So we're going to come over here and log into the tool, right? And then you're going to see up here it says a new update is available. Go to your settings to update the current version. So we're going to do that. So first we need to log into our Facebook. So we come here so we can go ahead and log into our Facebook. Right, then now we're going to go ahead and get the update. So we go down here to settings. All right, that's the first thing we want to do. Go down here to settings, click that, and then once again it's letting us know that we have a new update. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. All right, and it's letting us know to update it. Go ahead and hit the download update button right here, this orange one. So go ahead and click that. Then your browser is going to open just so that your file can download the update. So down here at the lower right, you'll see it here. And what you want to do here is you want to hit open, where it says open. Go ahead and hit open. Then once you do that, you'll get a prompt right here. And you want to hit yes. Go ahead and hit yes. All right. And this is going to prompt to go ahead and, you know, update Social Prospector Pro. All right, it says Social Prospector Pro is running. Click OK to close it. Going to say OK. All right, and it's going to go ahead and update. So we'll just let that do its thing. All right, we're back, and that only took about, I don't know, 15 seconds. We're going to go ahead and hit finish. All right, and now you see it's open here. So now we're ready to go ahead and start using it. So the next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and sign in. All right, and now we're going to log into Facebook again. All right, because each time you come to it, it prompts you to log in, because what was happening is sometimes people were coming here and they were forgetting to log into Facebook, and then they were like, hey, it's not working for me, when really it was because they weren't logged into Facebook. So it prompts you to log in each time now. So now we're logged in. Now we can go ahead and use all the tools and specifically use the updates. All right, now hopefully you found some value out of this video, this Social Prospector Pro tool tutorial. All right, now if you have not picked up the tool, go ahead and do so down below, the first link in the description. Actually, what I did is, I put together a training to actually show you guys how you can use Social Prospector Pro, kind of like in the flesh, you know what I'm saying? So click that first link in the description and get that free training so you can start getting you some freebies on Facebook, okay? Using a Social Prospector Pro. All right, and now, like I told you guys, I have some bonuses for you down below in the description. You'll see some cool bonuses, baby, for when you do decide to pick up Social Prospector Pro. That's like a tongue twister, like just pick up Peter Pepper, pick the pepper, whatever. All right, so when you do decide to go ahead and pick up Social Prospector Pro with me today, all right, down below in the description, you're going to see some bonuses listed out there that are going to help you even further, right, ignite your business, okay? And that way you can go ahead and start crushing out some sales, baby, on anything that you want to market, because that's what it's about. All right, so crush that first link in the description and rock out with that. And that, please do subscribe to our channel, and you already know, crush that bell, baby, so you can be alerted the next time I come with some content, because I'm bringing it to you every single week. All right, other than that, this is Dee Car Lady, baby, and we're gonna take this right to the top. All right, here we at.